Okay, so here we have our brain, and inside of it we have these little structures here called neurons. Neurons are super important because they help carry information from our brain to the rest of our body and from the rest of our body back to our brain. Each neuron has a few different parts that help it function. First, we're going to start with these branch-like structures here called dendrites, and dendrites help receive information from different cells, and it connects it here to that cell body. That cell body contains a nucleus, and the nucleus is important because it holds information, that genetic DNA, that helps encode this cell here and tells it what to do. It's like an instruction manual for that neuron. Next, we have this rope-like structure here called an axon. An axon helps send that information from this cell body all the way to the end here to this next cell. Around it, we have these things called myelin. Myelin helps cushion that axon so that it can speed up and send that message very quickly. Without myelin, that information would not get transported effectively or fast. At the very end of an axon, we have what's called a terminal bouton. Terminal boutons are pretty much just the end where the axon stops. And inside that terminal bouton, we have synaptic vesicles. Synaptic vesicles hold neurotransmitters or chemical messengers and that tell this next neuron what to do. And there we have a synaptic cleft. That's that space between that terminal bouton and this next neuron here. This next neuron, receives those synaptic vesicles, those neurotransmitters, and help kickstart this neuron to do its job. And so at the beginning here, we have a nerve impulse that travels around this axon here and ends at this neuron here, transmits it to the next one, and that's what helps us think and remember and do pretty much anything.